Regan, come on down the runway. You're a scientist with all kinds of things on. You got on flippers, and you got on your breathing apparatus, and your goggles, and your snorkel. Ripken likes to play, and I'm guessing swimming is also something Ripken likes to do too. Doesn't like to swim. That's why it's a costume. Zoe's an Ewok. Hi, Zoe. You heard her name. She's an Ewok. I can't make the sound, though. There she is. She's got a great little tail. Number 48 is Romeo. Wherefore art thou? Na 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 Romeo. You look great. Love that. He's got the look. He's checking out both sides of the runway. How you doing? That's what he's doing. Got a little Derek Zoolander going on. Number 29 is Sydney. Sydney needs to be pampered, as you can tell. I'm sure there are puppy pedicures and catered meals. She likes to circle and walk and sleep, and she loves her mommy. And I'm sure she would love you if you prepared her a 17-course meal of dog bones of liver and chicken and things. So cute. Number 17, Gabby. Somebody's a soccer fanatic here. I love it. Fantastic. You're the referee. I get it. She likes to play soccer. She's such a cutie. Okay, next is Trixie. I love it. Trixie's matching her owners. Halloween. Jason. You know what? You get extra points in my book for the severed limbs. Fantastic. Trixie, she loves tricks. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome his purple bandit, Prince. Ow! Loves mommy and he loves to spin around. Oh, look at this, microphone and everything. Jacob. Aww. Maybe you can play basketball and serve pancakes later. Thanks, everybody. Number 9, Marlow. Marlow's a diva. Look at those shoes, girl. Work the shoes. She's like, I'm losing my tear. I can't have this. People. Next is 27, Dissy. Olay! Arriba down the runway. You are so stinking cute. I can't stand it. So cute. She loves to sleep, and she loves her mommy. And she doesn't want to be on the red carpet. She's a little elusive. Next is Whoopers. I said, you are very chilled out and groovy, man. I love that tie-dye. She even got her hula hoop. What are you going to do with that hula hoop, Whoopers? Very nice. Right through the hula hoop. Very nice job. Very bright color outfit. I love it. Number 21 is Bentley. Bentley, you better recognize that's Honey Boo Boo. Oh, you're losing your hair. Girl, put your wig back on. Come on. She likes to play with Gizby. Is that right? Gizby? Gabby. The other dog that came by? Oh, they're friends. Let's give Bentley a round of applause. Stylin. Number 1. Number 13, Blossom. Blossom, I believe, is also a sister to Rocket. Mother to Rocket. Oh, okay, there you go. Loves to snuggle, loves to love, and also loves to be fashionable on the catwalk. Look at that. Smart with the scarf, with the sweater underneath the costume. So smart. Great on the runway for fall of 2014. Number 26 is Tia. She's wearing a wig. That's what I know. She likes mommy and chewing bones. Yes. And she stayed warm the entire time hanging out in mommy's vest. Rocket, inspired by Ice Age, wanted to be a woolly mammoth. And Rocket is a whippet, I learned earlier today. I was like, is that a greyhound? No. Rocket's a whippet. And Rocket, if you brought squirrels around here, there would be a party because Rocket loves them. Thank you, Rocket.